Chocolate chip cookies are the best. Most people like cookies. I know I do. So I want to show you how to make them. I will show you the ingredients and utensils. I'll show you how to mix them, and I'll show you how to bake them as well. So start cooking. We'll need a few things. We need a mixing bowl, which is right here. We need a cookie sheet, which is right here, and you'll want a few of them as well. But for this purpose, we'll use one. We'll have a rubber spatula and some vegetable oil. For the ingredients, we'll need 2 1/4 cups of flour. We'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of shortening, 3 3/4 cups of sugar and brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of water, and then 2 eggs, and then 2 cups of chocolate chips. So let's start mixing them. So to mix them, you want to add everything in there first, except the chocolate chips. We'll add that last. So here we'll start with the flour. Just pour it in here nice and easy. And then we'll add our eggs. So just crack in here. There's 1. And here's 2. And then we'll add our baking soda, just like that. And then our salt, right there. Our white sugar, our brown sugar, just like that. Our vanilla, our water, and then our shortening. We'll use the spatula just kind of get it out nice and easy, just like that. And then we'll start mixing it. Start mixing it. It'll be a little hard at first, but it'll get easier as you mix it. Mix it nice and easy. Just remember to get all the sides. Don't want anything left over. Once it gets thick enough, I'll use my hands and my hands are clean, so I can mix it up with my hands. So I'll do that right now. Just put that in there. So I'll start using my hands just to mix it nice and easy. Just want everything in one large clump, essentially. And yes, your hands will get messy, but that's okay. They wash. Just want everything on the bottom. Get everything on the bottom. And it thickens up. It will be a little messy, but that's okay. Your table will wash. Just like that. Then once you're done, you can get everything off your hands. Like that. Try to anyway. And then we'll add our chocolate chips. Add our chocolate chips. Try to get all this off. Alright, then we'll add our chocolate chips. Just like that. And then we'll mix it up again. Just like this. And it is pretty entertaining to watch, I'm sure. Alright, that seems pretty good. We'll get it off your hands once again. Just like so. off your fingers. So then we want to put it on a baking pan. Get it off. And then you get it off. Alright. So we got our baking pan right here. Move all that out of the way. Now we'll put our vegetable oil on this. You just want to put it lightly, just like spray it like that. So then you'll put these into little balls. Put it in the little balls like this. You know, it might be a good idea to wash my hands. So I'll go wash my hands over here. Just a little quick little wash. Washing your hands will make it easier to mess around with all the ingredients. So put it on the cooking pan. Alright, now my hands are washed. It should be a little bit easier to put it on. So you just want to make it into little balls. You also want to make them even so they cook evenly in the oven. So kind of like that. I'd usually put like 7 or so on the pan. Just like that. Just get another one. Like that. We get another one like that. Just like that. Spread them out. You want to spread them out a little bit so they don't collide when they bake, because they'll expand when they start baking. Got one right here. We got one right there. And we got one right here. Got one right here. So this is what it'll look like. That's kind of how I placed it. So then you place it into the oven at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. That's how long it takes. You know they're done when they're a crisp golden brown. And that's all there is. That's all there is to mixing it and then baking it. So we had our utensils. I taught you how to mix it. I taught you how to bake it. Most people love cookies, so I want to show you how to make them today. It's pretty easy to make these cookies, although it's also really easy to mess them up. I hope that you'll make these, now that you know how to make them, and you'll find out they're pretty good. So, thank you.